நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். In mathematical physics, part 38 consists of Stokes theorem, Gauss theorem, Green's theorem, Poisson equation, Laplace equation, special functions, gamma and beta functions. Finally, it explains about the TNBG-TRP questions answers with explanation. Stokes theorem. It states that the flux of the curl of a vector function A over surface S of any shape is equal to the line integral of vector field A over the boundary C of surface. Surface integral of curl A into ds is equal to line integral of A into dr. Gauss theorem. The flux of a vector field A over any closed surface S is equal to the volume integral of the divergence of the vector field over the volume enclosed by the surface. Volume integral of div A into dv equal to surface integral of A n cap into ds. Deduction from Gauss theorem. Gauss's law in electrostatics states that the total electric flux through a closed surface is equal to 1 by epsilon 0 times the total charge enclosed by the surface. Div E equal to rho divided by epsilon naught. It is differential form of Gauss law. Poisson's equation and Laplace equation. If E and pi are the electric field strength and electric potential respectively, then E equal to minus grade pi. Replacing the value of E by minus grade pi in equation div E equal to rho divided by epsilon naught, the equation will become divergence of grade pi equal to minus rho divided by epsilon naught. It can be written as del square pi equal to minus rho divided by epsilon naught. It is known as Poisson equation. Put the value of rho equal to 0 in the equation, del square pi equal to 0. It is called as Laplace equation. Green's theorem. This theorem states that if psi1 and psi2 be the scalar point functions having continuous derivatives at least of second order, then triple integral of psi1 del square psi2 minus psi2 del square psi1 into dx dy dz equal to double integral of psi1 grade psi2 minus psi2 grade psi1 into ds. Laplace's equation del square pi equal to 0, curl v equal to 0, div v equal to 0, del dot del pi equal to 0, then div v into del v equal to 0, it is solenoidal. Curl v del cross v equal to 0, it is represented by irrotational. All of them were asked in TRP questions. Important vector identities. First equation, del into pi plus psi equal to del pi plus del psi. Second equation, del into pi psi equal to pi into del psi plus psi into del pi. Third equation, divergence of a plus b equal to div a plus div b. Fourth equation, curl a plus b equal to curl a plus curl b. Fifth equation, grade ab equal to a cross del cross b plus a del b plus b cross del cross a plus b del into a. Equation 6, divergence of pi a equal to pi div a plus a del pi. Seventh equation, curl of pi a equal to pi curl a plus del pi cross a. Eighth equation, divergence of curl a equal to 0. Ninth equation, curl grade pi equal to 0. Tenth equation, div a cross b equal to p curl a minus a curl b. 11th equation, curl of a cross b equal to p del a minus a del b plus a div b minus b div a. 12th equation, curl of curl a equal to grade div a minus del square a. Del into del u cross del u equal to 0. Del into r power n equal to n into r to the power of n minus 2 into r. Del into r divided by r cube equal to 0. Del square into 1 by r equal to 0. All of them were asked in TRP questions. Special functions. Legendre's equation, Hermite's equation, Laguerre's equations are given below. All of them are given in tabular column for easy understanding purpose. First one, 1 minus x square d square y divided by dx square minus 2x dy by dx plus n into n plus 1 into y equal to 0. Hermite's equation is represented by d square y by dx square minus 2x dy by dx plus 2ny equal to 0. Laguerre's equation is represented by x into d square y by dx square plus 1 minus x into dy by dx plus ny equal to 0. Roderick equation form. Legendre's equation is represented by p of nx is equal to 1 divided by 2 power n into n factorial d of n divided by dx power n x square minus 1 to the power of n. In terms of Hermite's equation, minus 1 to the power of n exponential value of x square d power n divided by dx power n exponential value of minus x square. In terms of Laguerre's equation, ln x is equal to e power x divided by n factorial d power n divided by dx power n x power n into e power minus x. Orthogonal property of Legendre's equation. Integral value of minus 1 to 1 pmx into pnx into dx is equal to 2 into delta mn divided by 2n plus 1. Similarly, for Hermite's equation, orthogonal property is explained as integral value of minus infinity to plus infinity exponential value of x square hn into x hm into x into dx is equal to 2 power n factorial square root of pi delta mn. In terms of Laguerre's equation, orthogonal property is represented by integral value of 0 to infinity exponential value of x lm x into dx is equal to delta mn. Beta and gamma functions. The beta and gamma error functions are used in the branches of mathematical analysis like physics, mechanics, statistics, etc. Beta function. Beta mn equal to integral value of 0 to 1 x to the power of m minus 1 into 1 minus x to the power of n minus 1 into dx. Then the value of m is greater than 0, n is also greater than 0. Gamma function. Gamma n equal to integral value limit varies from 0 to infinity exponential value of minus x to the power of n minus 1 into dx. N value is always greater than 0. Error function. Error function of x is equal to 2 divided by root pi integral value limit varies from 0 to x exponential value of minus y square into dy. Transformation of beta function. Beta of m comma n equal to integral value limit varies from 0 to infinity y to the power of m minus 1 into dy divided by 1 plus y to the power of m plus n. Beta mn equal to beta nm equal to integral value limit varies from 0 to infinity y to the power of n minus 1 into dy divided by 1 plus y to the power of m plus n. Evaluation of gamma function. Gamma n equal to integral value limit varies from 0 to infinity exponential value of minus x power n minus 1 into dx. Gamma 1 equal to integral value limit varies from 0 to infinity e power minus x into dx equal to within bracket minus e power minus x limit varies from 0 to infinity, it will be equal to 1. Then gamma value of n plus 1 equal to n into gamma n equal to gamma n plus 1 divided by n. Put n equal to 0, gamma 0 equal to infinity, gamma m plus 1 will be equal to m factorial, gamma minus n equal to infinity, gamma n plus 1 equal to n factorial. Transformation of gamma function. N into gamma n equal to integral value of limit varies from 0 to infinity exponential value of minus y to the power of 1 by n into dy. Replacing n by 1 by 2, we get 1 by 2 into gamma 1 by 2 equal to integral value limit varies from 0 to infinity exponential value of minus y into 1 by 2 into dy equal to square root of pi by 2. Therefore, gamma 1 by 2 equal to root of pi. Relation between beta and gamma function. Beta into mn equal to gamma m gamma n divided by gamma m plus n. Question number 1. The vector B vector solenoidal, then option A del vector B vector equal to 0, B del vector cross B vector equal to 0, C del square vector dot B vector equal to 0, D del vector within bracket del vector cross B vector equal to 0. Here for the solenoidal property del dot B equal to 0. Therefore answer A del vector dot B vector is 0 is the correct answer. Question 2. The relationship between surface integral and volume integral is 4 options are given. A. Stokes theorem, B. Green's theorem, C. Gauss's theorem, D. Green's second theorem. Here we have already studied the relationship between the surface integral and volume integral is Gauss theorem. Therefore answer C. Gauss theorem is the correct answer. Question 3. According to Hermite's polynomial, H2n within 0 is options A 1 power n 2n factorial divided by n factorial, option B 2n factorial divided by n factorial, C minus 1 to the power of n 2n divided by n factorial, option D minus 1 to the power of n 2n factorial divided by n factorial. Here answer C minus 1 to the power of n 2n divided by n factorial is the correct answer. Question 4. The Rodrigues formula for Legendre's polynomial is option A Pnx is equal to 1 divided by 2 power n into n factorial d power n divided by dx power n into x square minus 1. Option B Pnx is equal to 1 divided by 2 power n into n factorial d power n divided by dx power n into x square minus 1 to the power of n. Option C Pnx equal to 1 divided by 2 power n d power n divided by dx power n x square minus 1 into n. D Pnx is equal to 1 divided by 2 power n n factorial d power n divided by dx power n x square plus 1 to the power of n. Answer B P of nx is equal to 1 divided by 2 power n n factorial into d power n divided by dx power n into x square minus 1 to the power of n is the correct answer. Question number 5. The equation del square pi equal to 0 is option A Gauss law, B Poisson's equation, C Laplace equation, D Ampere's law. Here Gauss law and Ampere's law are incorrect. Laplace equation we know that del square pi equal to minus rho divided by epsilon naught. Therefore it is a wrong answer. B Poisson's equation we know that del square pi equal to 0. Therefore answer B Poisson equation is the correct answer. Question 6. For A cross B to be solenoidal, option A divergence of A cross B vector equal to 0, option B curl of A cross B vector equal to 0, C A cross B vector equal to 0, D grade of modulus value of A cross B vector equal to 0. Here option C and D are wrong. Then option B curl of A cross B vector equal to 0 is for irrotational value. Therefore answer divergence of A cross B equal to 0 is the correct answer. Question 7. The value of del cross r vector divided by r square is A r vector divided by r, B 0, C r bar divided by r power 4, D r square into r vector. Option B 0 is the correct answer. Question 8. In cylindrical coordinates, option A pi equal to tan inverse x by y, B tan inverse y by x is equal to pi, C pi equal to tan inverse z by x, D pi equal to tan inverse z by y. Here answer B tan inverse y by x is equal to pi is the correct answer. Question 9. Del vector into r to the power of n is option A r power n r vector, B n into r to the power of n minus 1 into r vector, C n into r to the power of n minus 2 into r vector, D r to the power of n minus 2 into r vector. Here C n into r to the power of n minus 2 into r vector is the correct answer. Question number 10. According to Stokes theorem, option A closed surface integral of A vector into ds is equal to integral of curl of A into dl. Option B integral of A into dl equal to surface integral of curl of A into ds. Option C closed line integral of A vector into dl equal to triple integral of divergence of A vector into dV, d integral of A vector into dl equal to double integral of divergence of A in vector into ds. Here option B, integral of A vector into dl vector equal to integral value of curl of A vector into ds is the correct answer. Question 11. The Legendre's polynomial Pn of x has option A, n real zeros between 0 and 1. Option B, n zeros of which only one is between -1 and 1. Option C, 2n minus 1 real zeros between -1 and 1. D, none. Here option B, n zeros of which only one is between -1 and 1 is the correct answer. Question 12. If Hn of x is the Hermite polynomial of order n, then Hn of minus x is option A, Hn of x, B, -1 to the power of n minus 1 into Hn of x, C, -1 to the power of n Hn of x, D, -1 to the power of n plus 1 into Hn of x. Option C, -1 to the power of n Hn of x is the correct answer. Question number 13. If Ln of x is the Legendre's polynomial of degree n, then Ln of 0 is option A, n, option B, 1, option C, 1 minus x, option D, n factorial. Here B, 1 is the correct answer. According to equation of Legendre's polynomial, Ln of x is equal to e power x divided by n factorial into d power n divided by dx power n, x power n into e power minus x. Put the value of 0, we get the correct answer. Question 14. The value of gamma 0 is option A, 0, option B, infinity, option C, minus infinity, option D, 1. Here B, infinity is the correct answer. Question 15. The property of beta function is option A, beta mn equal to beta nm, B, beta mn equal to 1 divided by beta nm, C, beta mn equal to minus beta nm, option D, beta mn equal to minus 1 divided by beta nm. Here answer A, beta into mn equal to beta nm is the correct answer. நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.